was good neighbors. The name of the lesson was good neighbors. Means the people who used to live nearby our house, they are very good. हमारे हाउस के पास जो people रहते हैं, how they are in nature, are they good or they are not good. And what was in the session? हमारे session में क्या पढ़ा था? That was about two friends. And what was two friends doing? They are talking to each other. कोई दूसरे से क्या कर रहे थे? बात कर रहे थे. One was Rahul and another was Nitin. Rahul was asking from Nitin that where do you live? Rahul क्या कर रहा था? नितिन से बात कर रहा था. उससे पूछ रहा था that where do you live? Where is your house? What are the things in your house? Then what Nitin replied that I live in Gupta Enclave. Rahul asked him that you live in Gupta Enclave. How it looks? It's a very nice place. Then what Nitin replied? Nitin gave him all the description of an enclave. Nitin ने उसको सारी चीजें किसके बारे में बताई? Enclave के बारे में. How the enclave looks and what kind of people are living nearby his house, who are his friend, who is his best friend, what is his friend's father is doing. All these things who told? Nitin told all these things to Rahul. Then what Rahul said, okay, this much things are about there in society. Then Nitin said yes. And what was Nitin having a good quality was he was at a playground, shops were there, and PC was also there to make a call. And one of his good friends used to live in the same society, Gupta Enclave, and his name was Tapan. Tapan was his friend, he was friend of Nitin. Now that was the first session of our story. Now we are going to move on to the next session of the story, where we have finished. What was that? And was that what he was telling? That my friend's father is a doctor, and they are very. My friend's father is a doctor. There we end our session. Now in the new session, what he was telling, my friend's father is a doctor in army, and they are very helpful. His friend's father is very helpful. वो बहुत helpful है हमारे साथ, and they used to talk with us also very nice. Then now Nitin asked Rahul. जब नितिन ने अपने हाउस के बारे में सब बता दिया उसको, then Nitin asked Rahul that WHER DOUYOULIVE RAHUL Rahul question mark. Now Nitin asked the same question to Rahul. जैसे राहुल ने नितिन को पूछा गुप्ता एंक्लेव क्या है, कहाँ रहते हैं आप, कैसे रहते हैं. Now same Nitin asked Rahul that where do you live? अब आप कहाँ पे रहते हो? Then let's see what Rahul answered. राहुल ने क्या आंसर दिया? RAHUL live in 261, SHIVAGI Shivaji COLONY colony. I take in THE the CANTONMENT. Cantonment. Full stop. WEE HAVE have HUGE huge. Huge means very big. OBE and open. GRUNT comma WITH with MANY TRWS trees and SMANN small MARKET market AE large nearby. Now who is giving the description? Rahul is giving the description of his house. So let's get started. What Rahul said, I live in 261 Shivaji colony. Where he was living? It was the number of his colony. Colony मतलब streets हैं. तो इस वाली लाइन में 10 houses हैं. Then इस वाली लाइन में 10 houses हैं. So each house had a number. और एक house का क्या होता है? Numbers होते हैं. He was living in 261. 261 number and the colony name was Shivaji. What was the name of the colony? Shivaji. In the cantonment. Now what is the cantonment? Cantonment is the place where military persons used to live. Who used to work in the military. Officers are over there, or the soldiers are over there, where they used to live. That is known as the cantonment for the soldiers of military. Now, what he said that we have a huge, उनके पास एक बहुत बड़ा क्या है उनकी कॉलोनी में ओपन ग्राउंड, बहुत बड़ा ग्राउंड है with many trees. उस ग्राउंड में क्या है, बहुत सारे ट्रीज हैं surrounded and a small market nearby, और एक छोटा सा मार्केट है. What Rahul said I live in a 261 Shivaji colony and there we live in a cantonment, means where military people used to live, जो military में work करते हैं. They are having a big ground because military people used to wake up early in the morning. वो 4 बजे उठते हैं और बहुत सारा walking करते हैं to be healthy and strong. And they have their own market. Military people have their own market inside their cantonment area. उनका जो एरिया होता है उसी के अंदर ही उनका एक मार्केट होता है. There the thing or everything is available over there regarding the food item or the utensils or the suitcases or the food item or you can say the groceries, shampoos, soap, whatever you want. All these things are available over there and all these things are tax free for them. People living over there, they don't have to pay any tax. So he was living over there, and what were the things he was having? He was having a huge ground with many trees. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे trees होते हैं for having the fresh air. What does the trees gives us? Trees gives us the fresh air. Then moving on the further, again he is telling more about this much thing. Who told Rahul is telling this much thing? अब वो आगे और क्या बताते हैं अपनी कॉलोनी के बारे में? Let's read. WEB, ALSO also, HAVP have MILITARY, military, HOSPITAL, hospital. What they have? They have a military hospital. ANG and SCHWL school in OURR, NEIGH, HWE neighborhood. What he said? We also have a military hospital and a school in our neighborhood. Again, as I told you, where cantonment means where military people used to live. They have their own school or sometimes they have to live nearby. Wherever the cantonment is there, उसके बाजू में जो भी school है, there the son, daughter, and the son of their children used to go into that school. So what he said, there is a school in our neighborhood. जहाँ पे हमारा cantonment है, उसी के बाजू में क्या है, एक school भी है जहाँ पे मैं पढ़ने जाता हूँ. They have their own hospital also inside the cantonment. जहाँ पे वो रहते हैं, military वाले people के लिए most probably वहीं पे उनका hospital भी होता है. Sometimes it happens that they have not enough space, तो वहाँ पे hospital नहीं होता है, but most probably they have their market also inside, they have their hospital also inside, and in the few of the places they have the schools also inside. तो school भी उसी के अंदर ही होता है. But over here school was nearby, school बाजू में था, but they were having their hospital over there that for any treatment they can go over there, and that was the military hospital. This was the hospital known as the military hospital. Now, then what Nitin replied when Nitin got to hear all these things, Nitin को इतना सब पता चला. Then let's see again what Nitin want to know, what Nitin को क्या पूछना है. Let's move on. Nitin, W. Wow, he was very surprised. Wow, this much thing you are having. You have hospital also, you have ground also, you have market also. So he said, what? मजा आया. He said, wow, you are having this much things. IT is, IS is, VER library, NICE nice, RAHML Rahul. Now what he said, Nitin said, wow, it is very nice. Also correct. Rahul, you are having all these things in your colony. It's very nice. बहुत अच्छा है. Now again the question that Nitin asked to Rahul. अब Nitin क्या question पूछ रहा है? WELD good, YOUU, PLEAS please, TELL tell, MEE ABOU about, YOUR your, NEIGHBOURS neighbors. Now when him about the society, then how they are living. So Rahul is telling them how they are living, what are the things nearby his house, and hospital is over there, ground is over there. Now, what Nitin, how you have all these things? Now, would you please tell me, please, मुझे बताया. Now I want to know few things about your neighbor. मुझे थोड़ा सा आपके neighbors के बारे में जानना है कि आपके हाउस के पास, आपके पड़ोस में कौन रहता है. Now, let's see what Rahul answered him. Now, what Rahul answered? R-A-H-U-L, Rahul. Now, A-D-V-O-C-A-T-E, advocate. S-U-B-O-D-H, Subodh, advocate, Subodh. Now, who is advocate? Advocate in Hindi we call वकील, the person who used to leave the court. एक person जो कोर्ट में जाते हैं केस करने के लिए, they are known as advocate. Now, where is an advocate of military only? यहाँ पे जो advocate है वो कौन है? Military के, because Nitin used to live in cantonment of the military. Who is living? Sorry, Rahul. Rahul is living in a military cantonment. So advocate is over there of the military only. जो advocate है वो उनका military का ही है. And his name is Subodh. His name is Subodh. Comma. Now we follow further. S-D-O. Mr. Sharma. SDO means subdivisional officer. Subdivisional officer. They have their division divided. और उसका जो हेड इन चार्ज होता है उसको कहता है सब डिविजनल ऑफिसर. His name is Mr. Sharma. His name is Mr. Sharma. And MAGOR, major, means who is in charge of the military soldiers. So in charge होता है known as the major. Spelling of major is M-A-J-O-R. M-A-J-O-R. What's the name of the major? V-I-K-A-S. Vikas. Vikas is the major. L-I-V-E, live. E-A-R, near. M-Y-I, H-P-U-C, house. Now, what he told, that who are the persons living nearby his house? They were advocates who both lives near his house. SDO, Mr. Sharma, subdivisional officer, Mr. Sharma is living, and Major Vikas lives near his house. These are the three persons who used to live near his house. उसके पड़ोस में, they are the neighbors of Rahul. Then, what he saying? N-W-L, need. N-W-L, need. I-S is M-Y-Y, G-W-O-D, good. F-R-I-E-N-T, friend. And what he saying? Neil is my good friend. Neil जो है वो मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. Full stop. He is Mr. Sharma's son. कौन है वो? Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma कौन थे? Mr. Sharma is SDO, subdivisional officer जो है Mr. Sharma. His son is Neil. उनका बेटा कौन है? Neil. And he is friend of Rahul. Rahul कौन है? Friend. Then HIS is GRANT, grand, PARENT is parents, ALS also. He is saying that Neil's grandparents also LIVE live WITH with him. क्या बोला? जो SDO Mr. Sharma है उनका बेटा Neil is my friend and he also lives with him. वो भी वहीं पर उनके साथ सोसाइटी में रहता है. Colony cantonment where the military people used to live. And what he said, he is my very good friend. Now, he told HEETOLD told US us BPRY very NICE nice STORIES stories. He is telling grandparents, as I told you, grandmother and grandfather used to tell us the stories. Same over here, what is saying? Neil's grandparents, Neil की दादा दादी हैं, वो क्या करते हैं? They used to tell us the very nice stories. बहुत ही अच्छी हमको stories सुनाते हैं. किसको सुना रहे हैं? राहुल एंड नील. I ENJ J-O-Y, enjoy. T-A-L-K-I-N-G, talking. T-O-2, H-I-S, his. G-R-A-N-T, grand. P-A-R-E-N-T, his parents. What you say? I enjoy talking to his grandparents. Who is enjoying? The boy Rahul is telling to Nitin that I enjoy the company of my friends' grandparents. मेरा जो friend नील है जो मेरे neighbor में रहता है, I enjoy his grandparents' company. Why I enjoy? Because they used to tell me the story. Grandparents जो है वो क्या सुनाते हैं? Story सुनाते हैं. That's why I enjoy their company very much. Where Nitin was living? Nitin was living in an enclave. कहाँ पे रहता था वो? He used to live in Gupta enclave. And where Rahul used to live? Rahul used to live in a military cantonment. And his neighbors were Mr. Subodh, advocate, then SDO Mr. Sharma, then Major Vikas. All these people were neighbors of Rahul. And his friend was Neil, who used to live nearby his house. And who was Nitin's friend? Nitin's friend was Tapan, who also lives near his house. Rahul's friend Neil and his father was SDO. Neil के father कौन थे? SDO. और वो किसका friend था? He was Rahul's friend. And Nitin's friend was Tapan. And who was Tapan's father? Tapan's father was a doctor in army. What are the good qualities of Rahul's colony? Rahul की colony की good quality क्या थी? That he was having hospital also there, and school was also nearby his house, and market was also there, big ground was also there, and the people who were living over there, they were also very good. So they both enjoy with each other very much. Before moving on further, what we do, let's underline the few hard words we repeat when we move further. Now, first one is Shivaji colony, then cantonment, then huge, then market. These are the spelling that we should recall for 2 to 3 times. 2 to 3 times read करना चाहिए. These are the spelling. Grandparents, advocate, Subodh, STO Mr. Sharma, Major Vikas, then stories, then what was there? There was a military hospital, school, and neighborhood, and neighbors. Let's read together. These are the words that are a little bit hard to learn. The words जो हैं वो थोड़े से hard है आपको learn करने में. So we are going to read for 2 times and then we move further. 2 words read करके then I'll tell you the other part of the story. So let's get started. Where Rahul used to live? Rahul used to live in 261 Shivaji colony. Spelling, repeat. S-H-I-V-A-G-I Shivaji. S-H-I-V-A-G-I Shivaji. C-O-L-O-N-Y colony. C-O-L-O-N-Y colony. Moving on further, cantonment. C-A-N-T-O-N-M-E-N-T. You should learn very nicely. C-A-N-T-O-N-M-E-N-T, cantonment. Then, how was the ground? Ground was very huge. What ground? H-U-G-E, huge. H-U-G-E, huge. Then, next was the market. What was there? Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market is the place where we go to buy the things. But this market was inside the military cantonment. Military cantonment था उसके अंदर ही था. Now what was there? There was military hospital. M-I-L-I-T-A-R military. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L hospital. M-I-L-I-T-A-R military. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L hospital. Then school. Where was the school? In his neighborhood. उसके house में बाजू. S-C-H-O-O-L. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Spelling of neighborhood. N-E-I-G-H wood. Wood. Neighborhood मतलब पास. Then the next spelling is also of neighbors. Neighborhood में कौन रहता है हमारे neighbors. NEIGH BOURS neighbors. NEIGH BOURS neighbors. Neighbors are the persons who used to live in our house. हमारे neighborhood में जो रहते हैं they are known as our neighbors. And our story is also good neighbors. Then moving on further, the person who used to live in nearby Rahul. AGBOCHE or go gate. Again we speak AGBOCHE. Advocate is the person who used to move to the gate court for fighting for the cases. जो कोर्ट में जाते हैं केस लड़ने के लिए सियासी कोर्ट वकील जिसको बोलते हैं. And his name was Subodh. What was his name? Subodh. 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 Okay, Subodh. Then who else was living over here? SGO. SGO. Mr. Dot SHARMA. Who was there? SGO. Mr. SHARMA. Subdivision officer Mr. Sharma. Who was there? Subdivision officer Mr. Sharma. And who else are living? MAJOR major. MAJOR major. DIKS. And who is major? Major is the person who is in charge of military soldiers. Military soldiers को जो in charge होता है, he is known as the major. Now moving on the further, the next one is grandparents. Who used to tell the story? Grandparents used to tell the stories. GRAND man, GRAND man, PARENTS parents, PARENTS parents. And what they used to tell? They used to tell the stories. What they used to tell? They used to tell the stories. Now, Rahul told everything about his cantonment, where he used to live, which kind of people are living, how many friends he is having, and what kind of persons are living. Like one was advocate, other was SDO, and one was the major. Nitin also told everything about his good time play, and who were his neighbors. He also told same as the Rahul. Rahul ने भी अपने neighbors के बारे में नितिन को बताया. Nitin also told about his neighbors to Rahul. Now, who is talking now? Nitin is talking. Do you play with all your friends? नितिन ने राहुल से क्या पूछा? आपके जो इतने सारे फ्रेंड्स रहते हैं वहाँ पे इन द कैंटोनमेंट, क्या आप उनके साथ प्ले करते हैं? Do you like to play with them? Then what Rahul replied? Yes, they are very friendly. मेरे जो सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, they are very friendly to me. Who is saying like this? Rahul. Rahul is saying like this that my friends whoever are living near my house, they are very friendly. So what we are going to do? We are going to learn the spelling of friendly. How are the friends? He is telling the neighbors that are living near my house, they are very friendly to me. So let's learn the spelling of friendly. Let's get started. What he said? Nitin asked him, do you play with all your friends? Who is asking Nitin? Nitin asking, do you play with all your friends? What is asking? Do you play with all your friends? FRIENDS. What Nitin asked? Rahul asked Nitin, do you play with all your friends? क्या आप अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलते हो? How many friends you have? All your 4 friends. How many friends? 4. Therefore, you have 4. FRIENDS. Do you play play with all your 4 friends. Then what Rahul reply? Rahul reply, yes, they are friendly. मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली है. फ्रेंडली मीन्स वो मेरे साथ बहुत अच्छे से प्ले करते हैं. दे आर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइंड एंड दे आर हेल्पफुल. AND हेल्पफुल. HELPFUL. मेरे फ्रेंड्स जो है बहुत अच्छे हैं, मेरे साथ फ्रेंडली भी है एज वेल एज दे आर हेल्पफुल. All of us are like a big family. What we say, my friends and me, all of us are like a big family. What we say, all of us, they are in our writing in line or DIG, big FAMIL. What we say, when Rahul Nitin asked Rahul that you play with your 4 friends. Then Rahul replied, yes, they are friendly and helpful. Yes, मैं play करता हूँ. मेरे जो friends हैं वो बहुत friendly हैं as well as they are helpful. और हम सब साथ में मिलके क्या हैं? One big family. What big family? Rahul. और big family? Rahul and his 4 friends. इसमें जो 4 फ्रेंड्स हैं वो सब क्या हुए? टुगेदर मिलके क्या हुए? एक बिग फैमिली. FILY. व्हाट यू से? हम सब साथ में एक साथ खेलते हैं और हम सब साथ में मिलके क्या हैं? वी ऑल आर लाइक अ बिग फैमिली. हम सब साथ में क्या हैं? एक बिग फैमिली की तरह रहते हैं. देन व्हाट नितिन रिप्लाइड? नितिन सेड वी आर सो लकी. हम क्या हैं? हम बहुत ज़्यादा लकी हैं. व्हाई? Because we are having such good neighbors. क्या words? We have got the story name again. What he said, Nitin said to Rahul that we are very lucky. बहुत ज़्यादा lucky हैं. Why? Because we are having very good neighbors. हमारे जो neighbors हैं बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. So we should feel very lucky. हमें बहुत lucky feel होना चाहिए. Then what Rahul said, yes, you are right. What Rahul said, yes, you are absolutely right. We are lucky because why we are lucky? Because the most important thing is good neighbors are the blessings of the God. सबको अच्छे neighbors नहीं मिलते. All people are not good. आपके house के बाजू में जो रह रहा है, you can't say he is good. सब एक जैसे नहीं होते, अच्छे नहीं होते. But good neighbors are the blessings. GOOD. Good. NEIGHBOURS are blessing. और neighbor क्या है? are a blessing. अच्छा पड़ोसी अपना मीन्स हमारे ऊपर गौर का क्या है? blessing है. I told you ना, blessing means what? If you bow down in front of your elders, अगर हम अपने बड़ों के सामने ऐसे bow down होते हैं और they used to give their blessings, आशीर्वाद देते हैं उनको. So having a good neighbor is also a blessing. They both shared their feelings. उन दोनों ने अपने एक दूसरे से अपने feelings share करे, अपने बारे में बताया that how is my society, how is your society. And finally जब दोनों को एक दूसरे की सोसाइटी के बारे में पता चल गया अच्छे से, नितिन and Rahul, then what they started talking with each other. नितिन ने राहुल को क्या बोला? That we should feel that we are very lucky. हमें feel करना चाहिए कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा क्या हैं? लकी हैं. Why we are lucky? Because then what Rahul said, yes, my friend, you are saying right. आप बिल्कुल right बोल रहे हो. Because having a good neighbors is a blessing. अच्छा neighbor होना मतलब blessing की तरह है. Because neighbors are just like a family. Neighbors are just like a family. Say as you are having a big family. आपका बहुत बड़ा family है, but your whole family is not living here. Family में कौन-कौन? Suppose grandfather is there, grandmother is there, uncle is there, aunt is there, mama, papa, you, your elder brother, sister, all are there. But यहाँ पे कौन live करता है? You, mother, father, or your sister and brother, rest are living away from you. बाकी लोग आपसे दूर रहते हैं, दर दर रहते हैं. So the persons living nearby your house, जो आपके neighbors हैं, आप उनके साथ इतना अच्छे से रहते हैं that they also become like a family. वो भी आपके किसकी तरह हो जाते हैं, फैमिली की तरह हो जाते हैं. सेम एज what you used to call your friend's father, अपने फ्रेंड के फादर को भी क्या कह के बुलाते हैं, अंकल. मदर, उनकी मदर को आंट. सो दे आल्सो बिकम लाइक अ फैमिली टू यू. सब भी आपको किसकी तरह हो जाते हैं, जस्ट लाइक अ फैमिली. बट इफ यू आर गुड देन ओनली योर नेबर्स विल बी गुड. अगर आप भी गुड नहीं है तो हाउ कैन यू कैन से दैट योर नेबर्स विल बी गुड. सो फॉर दैट इफ यू आर गिविंग गुड थिंग टू देम दे विल डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गिव यू द good thing. So you both should be good to each other, then only family will be completed. So good nature is also needed. To be a good friend, good neighbor, if you are having a good friend in the society and you are not talking nicely to him or her, आपका good friend है पर अगर हम ही उससे अच्छे से बात नहीं कर रहे, so will he or she will going to talk? क्या वो हमसे अच्छे से बात करेगा? No. Why he going to talk? Why he or she will going to talk? If we are not talking nicely, अगर हम ही उससे अच्छे से बात नहीं कर रहे, वो क्यों हमसे अच्छे से बात करेंगे? If we are going to talk nicely, then in return what we'll get? They will also talk nicely with us. अगर हम अच्छे से बात करेंगे, तो वो भी हमसे रिटर्न में कैसे बात करेंगे? Very nicely. Here our lesson gets over. Now just have a record of the lesson here. Whole lesson we are going to revise. What was the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson was Good Neighbors. The name of the lesson was Good Neighbors. And what is there in the story? In our story, two friends are talking with each other. What is in the story? Two friends are talking with each other. They are doing a discussion about their living. They are having a discussion about their living, that where Rahul used to live and where Nitin used to live. So firstly, Rahul asked Nitin, where you live? Then Nitin gave description of his living. Nitin ने अपने living का description दिया that he lived in this enclave and couple is his friend and his father is a doctor in army. He have a big playground. He have few shops over there and he used to play with his brother and his friends in the society. In an enclave. Then he gave the description about the enclave, how is the enclave, how big is the enclave. He gave all the description. Then turn comes of the Rahul. Nitin asked Rahul that where you live, how is your society, where you live? Then Rahul replied, I live in 261 Shivaji Colony. Where Rahul used to live? Rahul used to live in 261 Shivaji Colony. And who used to live over there? The other people who were living in Shivaji Colony were military persons. Why? Because he used to live in a cantonment. Where he used to live? He used to live in a cantonment. In over there, who were living? Military people used to live over there. The persons who are working in a military, soldiers, they used to live over there. And who were their neighbors? Who were the neighbors of Rahul? Rahul का neighbor कौन था? First one was Advocate Subodh. Who was there? Advocate Subodh. Who was Advocate Subodh? Advocate means what? Person who moves to the court for fighting for the cases. वकील जो केस लड़ने के लिए कोर्ट में जाता है, he is known as advocate. Second one was SDO, Mr. Sharma. SDO means sub-divisional officer. SDO means sub-divisional officer and his name was Mr. Sharma. Third one was Major Vikas. Third one was Major Vikas and the friend of Rahul was Neil. Friend was Rahul of Neil and Neil was son of Mr. Sharma SDO and Rahul and Neil used to enjoy the company of grandparents of Mr. Rahul and Neil. Rahul और Neil किसकी कंपनी एंजॉय करते थे? Neil के grandparents की. Why? Because they both used to tell them the stories. वो क्या सुनाते थे? Old stories. That's why they enjoy. So after telling both the things, दोनों ने अपना जब view share करा, so finally conclusion क्या निकला? क्या result निकला? That they both were very lucky. वो दोनों बहुत lucky थे. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके neighbors इतने अच्छे थे कि they used to think that we are like a big family. हम एक बहुत अच्छे family की तरह रहते हैं. So the moral of the story is, if we are good, then our neighbors will be good. If we are not good, then our neighbors will be good. If इफ वी आर डूइंग बैड, अगर हम कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं तो हमको सामने वाले से गुड थिंग एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। इफ वी आर डूइंग गुड देन डेफिनेटली वी शुड एक्सपेक्ट, अगर हम अच्छा करते हैं तो सामने वाले से हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि वो भी हमारे साथ क्या करेगा, अच्छा ही करेगा। Here our session gets over. Lesson number 7 is over. What is your work to do? That you have to go through the whole of the lesson. पूरा लेसन आप रीड करेंगे अच्छे से and go through all the spellings twice, thrice. एक एक spelling को 2 to 3 times read करना है. Then only it will come over here and have a happy and good neighbors as ever. Thank you.